Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello everyone and welcome to the 16th video in our digital Arabic calligraphy playlist. I am Hamdallah Salama and I'm excited to bring you this community service project from International Open University. In this playlist we will explore how to create and design Arabic calligraphy using mobile apps, a powerful way to boost your creativity using just your phone. In this video, Module 16, using elements in composition, the content will include understanding design elements, such as mandalas, and working with backgrounds and shapes, and combining calligraphy with design elements. So first things first, we go to Calipro. This is one of the designs that we had done previously. I changed the color to gold, and I saved the photo into my gallery by clicking this option. And then the next thing we have to do is we go to you go to your browser and you search for gold mandala that has no background. This is the one that I found, and I have already saved the image into my gallery. And the next thing that you will search for is decorative barrier. This is basically that fancy line that is usually below your designs. Yeah, these are the type of decorative barriers, or you could just search up for line element, gold line element. These are all the type of elements that exist. It's best to look for one that has no background. I have already downloaded one, but I thought to try another one. Can download this, save the image, and we get started by going to Pixel Lab. You scroll so that you can click the background with no color. Go to image size and change the size to 1152 by 864. It changes the aspect ratio. Then you go to the fourth option available at the bottom of the app and click color. You will change it to black. Then click import from gallery and bring in your calligraphy, La ilaha illallah calligraphy, the one we had done in the module regarding the designing calligraphies with boxes. Reduce the size a little bit and go to relative position and center align it. Then we go back to our gallery and we import the golden mandala. And then we put it at the corner. We could reduce it in size so that more of the design can show, and we place it there. And can duplicate it and put one at the corner there. Duplicate it again. And then duplicate it again, so we'll put it on the fourth corner. Right, maybe we can reduce the size of this. Bring this one to the front. And then we can reduce the size just a little bit. And then we bring in the line from our that we downloaded online, the decorative barrier. And you insert that here. Click relative position so that it stays at the very center. Alright. And then we add text. I intend to add a text right below it here that says, "There is no God except Allah." There is no God except Allah. And you click OK to insert it. This is what it currently looks like. You can reduce it in size. And then you click the second option at the bottom that is for text. And then you click you scroll through and you click font. These are the recent fonts that I have used. Anyone will do. This is not bad. Increase it in size. I have to move this upwards a little bit. This one as well. Move the mandalas a little bit below. Reduce them in size. Alright, then we duplicate this, delete that one and duplicate it. And there we go. Duplicate that. And this is the last duplication. Alright, so there's more space for these three. Go to relative position. Just click position and move it upwards. Make sure they're all at the center. Maybe we can change the font of this text to something better. Let's just go to the fonts, and instead of using the recent fonts, just check the other ones available. Lock the mandalas so that they don't disturb. Delete this because it's no longer in use. Lock this one as well. This is to change the alignment. We can change the color as well. We can change it to gold, or we can just keep it like this. I think it's better to keep it as white because it gives it a pop of color. And there we go. We have completed our design for this video. We have successfully used design elements such as mandalas and decorative graphics. We have used background colors. There's an extra thing we could add, and that is to bring in a shape. Make sure that it is the exact size, and then change I want to create a border. Give me a second. I will be using this square to form a border around La ilaha illallah. We will first change the color to black. After changing the color to black, we will apologies. After changing the color to black, we will increase the radius. and then add stroke. Make sure the stroke is not too thick. And move it to the back. Maybe reduce the size a little bit. Let's pin this one so that I'll be able to edit the square. Go to relative position and center align. And there we go. That's all I wanted to add. We have completed design. In the next module, module 17, we will be doing another design in Pixel Lab. It's basically a continuation of this module, module 16. As always, you can download your image, save to gallery, and that is all. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.